Legacy cloud environments are breaking under the weight of autonomous AI. Bolting LLM agents onto traditional architectures creates systemic bottlenecks and security failures. For decades, enterprise software was deterministic. Code ran predictable, linear paths. Today, AI agents generate their own logic, execute their own tools, and operate with an unpredictability that legacy infrastructure was never designed to handle. The infrastructure updates released in April 2026 established the architectural framework required to manage these non-deterministic workflows at scale. This architecture relies on three distinct layers. The compute and data foundation serves as the base, consolidating AI workloads. Above it, agent orchestration rigorously tests AI logic. Finally, the zero-trust perimeter isolates the system, protecting against flawed code and poisoned supply chains. Deploying autonomous agents safely requires integrating all three of these layers. We need to look at exactly how the major cloud providers are building them. Historically, deploying AI meant maintaining siloed compute clusters. You needed one set of GPUs for real-time user requests and a separate infrastructure for heavy, asynchronous batch processing. This diagram shows Google Cloud's new GKE inference gateway. It funnels real-time requests and asynchronous tasks into a single, unified accelerator pool. To prevent resource contention, the gateway uses latency-aware scheduling. It prioritizes high-priority, real-time user interactions while treating batch processing tasks as filler traffic that utilizes idle capacity. Similar fragmentation exists in data storage. Building retrieval-augmented generation architectures usually requires syncing a relational database with a separate vector database, creating significant latency. Google Spanner addresses this as a generally available multimodal database. It stores complex vector embeddings alongside traditional relational tables in a single transactional node. By embedding native vector search within Spanner, models can traverse unstructured text and complex relationships in a single query, removing the need for external synchronization. To utilize this unified infrastructure, you need models engineered for high-efficiency routing. That is the design philosophy behind the Gemma 4 family. Gemma 4 includes a 26 billion parameter mixture of experts architecture. It achieves high-speed inference by activating only a fraction of its parameters, just 3.8 billion, routing inputs to highly specialized neural pathways. The family supports context windows of up to 256,000 tokens for processing entire code repositories, alongside E2B and E4B variants designed for near-zero latency on mobile devices. Layer 1 provides infrastructure consolidation. By eliminating data friction and compute silos, agents have the necessary foundation to act in real time. Raw compute power is a liability if the autonomous agents using it cannot be trusted to execute logic accurately. This shift requires moving away from anecdotal AI testing. Amazon Bedrock Agent Core and Microsoft Copilot Studio have both released frameworks for rigorous, automated evaluation. Look at this decision tree. Bedrock Agent Core uses trace-based debugging to provide visibility into an agent's reasoning. It provides quantitative scoring and lets engineers pinpoint exactly where a tool call failed during the logic chain. Microsoft Copilot Studio employs a parallel approach, using AI-assisted observers to grade agent performance against validated golden datasets at scale, providing quantitative scores for qualitative data. Once an agent is validated, its deployment must be standardized. OpenAI's Codex plugins package skills and model context protocol servers into single, reusable workflow units. This standardization leads to automated infrastructure management. The AWS DevOps agent is now in general availability, automating incident response and patch management across hybrid environments. For security, the AWS DevOps agent operates through private communication within a virtual private cloud. It requires no public internet access to maintain the internal security posture. Understanding why these orchestration guardrails are necessary requires looking at the theoretical underpinnings of agent behavior, specifically Anthropic's research on mechanistic interpretability. This map shows how Anthropic researchers identified emotion features in Claude 4. Diverse multimodal inputs, a chaotic image, frantic text, or strained audio will all trigger the exact same central cluster of neurons, representing a single conceptual abstraction like frustration. By steering these specific features, researchers demonstrated a direct causal link to the model's output tone. These features are functional, fundamental components of the AI's reasoning process. Layer 2 provides the tools to measure and control these cognitive features. It transforms LLMs into observable, trackable software components ready for enterprise deployment. Observation alone is insufficient. We must look at the top tier of the architecture, the Zero Trust perimeter. This layer is necessary because of the risks introduced by vibe coding. Vibe coding occurs when developers rely on AI-generated code with minimal review. The Cloud Security Alliance reports that AI-generated output introduces security flaws in 45% of tasks, contributing to a 34% annual spike in leaked credentials. This reliance creates new attack surfaces. Threat actors are utilizing slop squatting, registering hallucinated package names, and hiding rules file backdoors through invisible Unicode characters in AI configuration files. These vulnerabilities are resulting in real-world consequences. On March 31, 2026, a North Korean threat actor compromised the popular Axios NPM package. By hijacking a maintainer's account, they infected versions 1.14.1 and 0.30.4. This created a massive exposure window across the library's 100 million weekly downloads. Attackers injected a dependency deploying a cross-platform backdoor, waveshaper.v2. Upon execution, the dependency self-destructs to evade forensic detection. This payload targets Windows, macOS, and Linux. Security teams must immediately pin safe versions and audit build logs. Operational failures are equally dangerous, as demonstrated by the recent Anthropic Claude Code CLI leak. An update accidentally included unstripped source map files in production builds. This human error allowed anyone to reconstruct 512,000 lines of proprietary TypeScript code. This exposed the specific system prompts and internal logic Anthropic uses to guide the AI. Threat actors can now study those guardrails to engineer more sophisticated prompt injection attacks. As development velocity increases through AI, human oversight is often bypassed. Internal model safety is no longer enough to secure a cloud environment. To stop these attacks, security must rely on deterministic external controls. AWS outlines this in its 4 security principles for agentic AI. This approach mandates a security box where infrastructure-level constraints are enforced completely outside of the LLM's reasoning process. AWS utilizes Firecracker micro-VMs to achieve this. This provides strict compute isolation and grants distinct machine identities to autonomous agents to maintain least privilege access. Azure is using identity-driven security to the same end. The general availability of user delegation SaaS moves away from permanent storage account keys, shattering them in favor of temporary tokens linked to specific Entra ID identities. This zero trust alignment ensures that even if an agent generates a token, its actions remain restricted by the granular role-based access control permissions of the requester. Google Drive is applying these deterministic controls to endpoint security with a new native defense system for ransomware detection. The system monitors for hostile encryption patterns on local machines. If an infection is suspected, it pauses synchronization and allows administrators to execute a bulk restoration of the workspace. Hardening the perimeter requires minimizing it. AWS is continuously sunsetting outdated services, moving AppRunner to maintenance mode, and ending support for RDS Custom for Oracle to reduce the available attack surface. A true zero-trust architecture assumes the agent will eventually be compromised. It relies on immutable infrastructure to contain the blast radius. This diagram shows the fully integrated architecture. Unified multimodal compute enables rigorous orchestration, which is then secured by deterministic zero-trust isolation. The industry is moving from simple text generation to the engineering of systemic, autonomous agents that execute complex enterprise workflows. As models like Gemma 4 scale, their permissions must scale progressively. Access is granted through the rule of earned autonomy, proven through sustained, rigorous behavioral testing. Development teams should immediately audit CI/CD pipelines for exposed source maps and malicious NPM dependencies to address these specific points of failure. Reliable agentic workflows depend on integrating the model directly into the enterprise's core infrastructure. Success in 2026 is measured by how effectively a company manages these 3 architectural layers.